ದೇಳಕಟ್ಟೆ ಯನಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಟಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತುರ್ತು ನಿಗಾ ಘಟಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿತು. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಂ ಅವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತುರ್ತು ನಿಗಾ ಘಟಕವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಯನಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು, ವೈದ್ಯರ ನಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಕಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆ ತಲುಪಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಎಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಪಟ್ಟರು.
ವೈದ್ಯರ ನಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಕಡೆ. So during that time also, when we have asked for all the help, that is by providing staffs, doctors, and even lab technicians to the field, we have received a very good response from this college as well as hospital, so that we could make really some impact in the field level. And at the same time, I also thank, because as you may be knowing, because most of the student community got infected from various colleges as well as institutions. But following COVID appropriate behavior and also following all the whatever the government guidelines in the COVID protocol, and Yanapoya is the one institution which have followed all the guidelines, as well as they have joined their hands with us for controlling the epidemic in some institution. And once again I thank.
ಯನಪೋಯ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ವೈ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ಲಾ ಕುಂಜೆ ಅಂತರ್ಜಾಲ ಮೂಲಕ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
The current 8-bedded PICU has been expanded to accommodate 16 beds with central oxygen supply, and 4 more new ventilators have been granted for the function of the PICU. While thanking the Kotak Group, I reiterate that the allocated funds will be smartly used, especially for the benefit of the poor and needy sections of the society. I once again thank Jandu Sri Sevakumar for taking time off his busy schedule to inaugurate the unit. I would also like to place on record my immense gratitude to who have been involved in successful completion of this unit, and look forward to many more innovative ventures.
ಕೋಟಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಜಂಟಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ದೀಪಕ್ ಗುಪ್ತಾ ಅಂತರ್ಜಾಲದ ಮೂಲಕ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು.
All he has to do is just cut out the check, and dump all the responsibility on all you medical practitioners and district administration to carry out and ensure all the good work gets done. So we've done our job, of the easy part of the job, cutting out the check, and we just request you to ensure that this continues, and actually we have to be thankful for giving us this opportunity to participate in something like this and share, the good work that all of you have done. So that's all from my side. Thank you for taking up this session.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸೇವಕುಮಾರ್ ಎಸ್, ಯನಪೋಯ ಸಮೂಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಫರ್ಹಾದ್ ಯನಪೋಯ, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮುಸಬ್ಬಾ, ಯನಪೋಯ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಆರ್ಎಂ ಸಲ್ದಾನಾ, ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಧೀರ್ ಸಾಜಿಲ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಆರಿಫ್ ಕಲ್ಕಟ, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ದೇಳಕಟ್ಟೆ.